Alright, so we have this Toyota Tundra in the shop today, and on the front suspension we have Fox 2.5-inch coilovers paired with our billet upper control arms. And out the back is the project that we're working on today. As you see, this truck has a GFC on it, and this is set up more as like an overland build, which is very similar to anything that you might have that's set up to haul around weight. Like say you have a chase truck going down to Baja, but you need to go off-road to remote pits and stuff. So the stock suspension on this truck here, you can see they have these three really thick springs. Well, two of them are the main leaf and they don't really do a whole lot. Then you have this third spring here, which is kind of like what's holding the truck up. And then you have this spring here, which it's almost already bottoming out on this really thick, we call it like a diving board overload spring. And so as soon as all this spring meets up to this gap, you're now riding on that ultra thick spring and it just wants to buck the truck up. And all that's controlling that is this little puny 2-inch shock. So what we have going on here is we're going to swap out the springs to a Deaver heavy-duty spring pack along with our Fox bypass shock upgrade, which fits under the bed so you don't have to poke through the bed, and a Fox 2.0 hydraulic bump stop. So we get a tremendous amount of bottom out, a lot of control with a much larger shock that's also a lot longer, so it's efficiently stroking that shock. Along with it being bypassed, we have good valving on the piston, and how the bypass shocks work is it flows around the piston until you get to the different zones where now you just focus on the piston. So this is a huge, huge upgrade to suspension on this truck here, and we'll handle the weight. This guy will have a really good time off-road. So I'm going to show off the Deaver spring pack. This particular pack is more for someone hauling around more weight. So if you're a chase truck going down to Baja, or you're an overland truck, which is what we have here with the Go Fast Camper on it, this is the L80 spring. And if you notice on these springs, there's 9 springs in the pack here. And they also have the 2 bottom springs which are flattened out, which kind of act like an overload spring, but not like your typical overload spring, which is this gigantic, thick diving board thing. This will actually still flex. What's really cool about the Deaver springs is you check out how tapered they are, and they run these little plastic pads under them all, so by doing that, they just work really freely and really smooth. Combining that with the Fox shocks, especially these 12-inch travel bypass shocks, along with the bump stop, which is a hydraulic bump stop by Fox, you have tremendous bottom out control with a really nice, smooth and controlled ride, and really good rebound control, so you don't have that bucking effect. Right now you can see the stock upper shock mount that's in here. We're going to be chopping this off the frame and sanding that down smooth, and then installing our new shock relocation bracket up top, which gets the shock a lot higher. And because we're getting, instead of the top of the shock here, we're getting the top of the shock a lot higher, you gain a couple more inches of wheel travel because of that. And then the bottom one gets lowered down, and the way we designed it, it also has a lot of gusseting involved in it, so it's really strong. And so we gain about 3 more inches of wheel travel, maybe even a little more, because of the length of the shock by the design of the shock as well as the design of where the shock is mounting. So it makes a massive improvement on performance. What's cool about these Tundras is how easy they are to modify, as well as how many different categories of parts we make for them. So on this particular truck, instead of putting shocks in the stock location, we've made this really cool shock mount where we have this plate here which has the upper shock mount in it that attaches to the frame of the truck. And then on the bottom axle, we chop off the stock mount, we weld on this new mount, and what this does is grabs for the lower shock mount there. By doing that, we're able to put this 12-inch travel bypass shock under the bed. And this shock, because of the staging on compression, gives you a lot of bottom out control. So we have a lot more valving on the piston, and as you're in your normal ride height and ride zone, you're bypassing around the piston and having a nice smooth ride. And when you go to bottom out, you get the zone of the shock up here where you now grab the piston with a lot more valving in it to really catch on that bottom out. Same thing for the droop, is when you bottom this thing out, you're storing all the energy of those springs. So this lets you bypass around the piston and get out a lot quicker, and then grab you at the bottom so it doesn't have that bouncy, bucky feel. combined with that, we run the Fox 2.0 bump stops, and we have these shortened up so they're a 2.5-inch travel, and we have this nice mount that bolts onto the frame where this slides in, and that hits the axle. And we're also doing that in conjunction with a set of heavy-duty Deaver leaf springs. What's cool about these springs is the spring pack is tapered all the way down with probably about 10 to 12 different leaf springs in the pack, and that they start out small and work their way all the way to those main leaves, and those are doubled up. They give you a really progressive spring, so it's initially really soft and they ramp up the more you start compressing them. So watch the video, take a look at the install. We're not doing a how-to, but just showing kind of the steps, and check out this awesome overland built Toyota Tundra with the Go Fast camper on it. This is a really good suspension package to handle all that extra weight. So enjoy the video.
Like this.